Hello and welcome back to everyone. Today I decided to show how I wasted 300 pounds 6 years ago on core drill while I could do much better with my battery combi drill. In just under 5 minutes for 170mm deep brick wall including 20mm plywood inside. All I need is one 200mm long screwdriver, one ladder, a battery leaf blower and obviously the Combi Drill XR Power Stack battery and the floor bit. But tools can't do everything, as you also need a very steady hand and loads of experience. The trick for me is steady hands and speed. Also need to clear the dust grinds quite often, otherwise get stuck and I get frustrated. Here I'm grinding also the stainless steel wall to steel beam connector plate on this spot. So please let me know your thoughts on this matter. Thanks for stopping by today as usual at 22 o'clock daily posting.